Hey guys, you know that in this channel I normally post videos in both English and Spanish language. Normally each topic I try to cover in both versions so that all of my audience can learn about that. Okay, but I guess you've seen that there were some videos where I was talking about some tool called Codoozer, were only in Spanish. The reason of that is that I only created those videos because there's a Facebook community made by Spanish speakers and they wanted to know more, so I created those videos. Okay, but I think it's time to start talking more about Codoozer. Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk and I want to try to explain what Codoozer is or what Codoozer will be. Okay, because it's going to be a super tool and I hope you will like it. Okay, so if you want to know more about Codoozer, keep watching this video. So what is Codoozer? Codoozer is a new project that I totally believe that it's going to be a huge revolution in the software industry. It's not only an app builder, it's going to be more like a software builder, a code builder that will allow you to create mobile apps, websites, server-side scripts, and some other types of software. It's a new project, but it's not related with MobbingCube. It's built by a new company, which is not related with MobbingCube. The thing is that my co-founders on Codoozer are ex-employees of MobbingCube. So I guess you've seen this video in this channel where I talk about the Chapter 11 thing on MobbingCube, which took like last year or 2 years ago and lasted like 18 months. Okay, so before that process, we had to fire some people on MobbingCube. So we had these two amazing workers on MobbingCube. So and I didn't really like them to leave. So I talked with them and we decided to create this new company. And we didn't start with Codoozer. At the beginning, we wanted to create new tools or internet tools. We started with Dixiebox, which was a platform for managing voice messages. Then we built Castro.io, which is something like a mini version of Dropbox, something like that. Yeah, and the thing is that at some point we decided to have all those internet tools put together under the same brand, which it started being Broccoli, but some weeks ago we decided to change to Dojo, which means do your own things, do your own website, do your own app, do your own file cloud, okay, and this type of things. Okay, so whenever you sign up on one tool, then you're creating an account on Dojo. Okay, so you automatically have access to all those different tools. Okay. Some months ago, we realized that we had the opportunity to start making a new concept of app builder. We called it Codoozer because it's going to be a builder for code, not only for apps. Okay, the idea is that it will let you generate the source code, but also the final app. And the thing is that it's going to be much more advanced than MobbingCube or any other app builder. The idea is that Codoozer is going to be also for non-programmers as those app builders, but it's going to be a step farther, okay? It's going to be in the middle point between non-programming and programming, okay? It will be still non-programming, but you will need some skills in order to develop apps with Codoozer. Of course, the type of apps you're going to be able to develop with Codoozer is going to be much wider than any other app builder. Okay, much more interactive. You will be able to create much more professional apps with a lot of interaction, with access to databases and native things on the app, and a lot of stuff. Okay, so it's going to be a super thing, I think. So what's the current status of Codoozer? So, well, we started some months ago. We've made a lot of progress, especially in the software generation thing. Now it's compatible with Android. It's possible to create Android apps with Codoozer with a lot of functionality like Firebase databases, not only for reading data but also for writing data. You can change things in real time. You can interact with the elements. You can change a lot of things. But anyway, I don't want to talk about the features in this video. I will make another video giving examples of apps that have been created with Codoozer already. And yeah, I will make tutorials on how you can start using Codoozer and those things. Okay. Now the website of Codoozer is still not available. It will be ready soon, but you cannot even access the website. The thing is that you can already start creating apps with Codoozer, not using the website. Okay, I will create a new video explaining how you can do it in your PC and send us some files, and then we will provide the APK file for Android, so you can start testing and developing apps. Okay, I hope it will be the first version of our website ready on, I think, during March, I guess. Okay, the first version will only allow you to upload files and get the APK and those kind of things. Okay, and then in some extra weeks, or maybe a month or 2 months, I don't know, then we will release the new dashboard. So with that dashboard, you will be able to edit the content of your apps online, okay, not on your PC anymore. Well, as I said, it's for non-programmers, but you will need to learn some more difficult things that you are used to use on MobileCube or any other app builder. So the dashboard in these first versions of Codoozer is not going to be like a drag and drop thing. So the idea behind Codoozer is that all the apps are defined using JSON files. Okay, I guess you don't know what a JSON file is, or maybe you do. But a JSON file is basically a plain TXT file, okay, with some structure. Okay, so the JSON format establishes how to arrange that data in some specific structure. Okay, so I mean, it's not going to be like obvious how to create the apps on Codoozer. Okay. You will have to learn how this JSON format works, but once you learn that, it's going to be quite easy to use. Okay, and then when we release the dashboard, our dashboard is going to be like an assistant for editing those JSON files. So you won't really need to write those JSON files. Okay, everything will be assisted. So you will only need to fill slots and things like that. So basically, this is it. This is Codoozer, and as I said, I will keep posting new videos explaining how it works or the possibilities of it. It's going to be great. I mean, the type of apps you're going to be able to develop with Codoozer is going to be awesome. You'll see some examples soon. Okay, we've already released on Google Play some samples of apps using a lot of access to databases, creating new records on the database, using login and, well, signing up on accounts, using Firebase. Well, plenty of functionalities that are already available. Okay, so the thing is that you are going to be able to create very professional apps with Codoozer. Okay, so I hope to be able to explain more things soon. Okay, and if you want to learn those things, please subscribe to this channel so you will be notified as soon as I post a new video about it. Bye.